Welcome to Getting Started with Google Sheets. So one of the things you want to do at first is to make sure that you become familiar with Google Sheets. I would strongly suggest that you start here up at the top and click on each one to see what your choices are. So under File, what choices do you have? You can make a copy. Under Edit, what can you do? Under View, it says Freeze here. You can actually freeze some rows and columns, so when you're scrolling around, some rows and columns that you choose to have frozen stay where they are. Insert, things that you can insert. You can insert an image, a chart. So just kind of go through the top here and just become familiar. Once you do that, the next thing that you want to do is to read through here. Anything in blue are instructions. So first you need to enter all of your information in the yellow boxes. So pretty much any yellow box is going to require you to do something in it. And then the blue boxes will tell you what to do. Once you've done everything on a page, notice down at the bottom here, there are these tabs. And then you're going to click through all the tabs. So we're starting at the welcome. Once you finish this page, you would switch to the next tab, which is step 1. And so on and so forth, all the way through until you get to step 10. And once you have completed the instructions and done what it says on step 10, you can go ahead and turn in this file using the link on today's lesson plans. Don't forget to fill out your Google Form attendance sheet and let me know if you have any questions.